Hello everybody and welcome back to K Tutoring. This is my second video of Scratch. The first one was the introduction. In this video I'm going to show you how the character walks, changing the background, so the basic stuff. So let's begin. Now first things first, there's my sprite, which is the character. See, I can move it around with my mouse and I can change my character by, if I just press this X here, and if I go to here, as you can see, choose a sprite. Can you see this? I'm going to press this search glass, and it'll give me all these options of animals. If I press on animals, all these different kinds of animals here: dinosaur, dog, there's a chick, there's a bear walking, there's people. As you can see, they're animated. There's fantasy, like mythical creatures, and there's people who are dancing. So you can have that kind of thing. There's music, all different types of music you can have on there. So there's all kinds of things here, but we'll just focus on if we go to animals, and we got a cat, which is a standard sprite. We're going to bring him along all the way down back to here. And if you can see here, there's some coordinates here on the screen where the cat is. Now, if I keep move this around, the coordinates will change. So wherever he is, if I move him here, that's the coordinates there. Okay? Now, we won't focus too much on coordinates at the moment because we just move it with the mouse. But for now, I'm going to put my cat, my sprite over here. But I'm going to decrease his size, make it smaller. His size is there, as you can see. His size is there. So I'm going to change that. It's 100 at the moment. Just go slightly down to, say, 75. And as you can see, he just shrunk slightly. Okay? Now, if I go back to 100, he goes back big again. Okay? So we'll go 75-ish. You can go smaller or bigger. It's up to you. I'll just go 75 for now. I'll move him along here somewhere. Now, the next part is, how do I make the cat or a character, whoever that is, to walk, to move? Now, first things first, whenever you start programming, the blocks are here, the icons, the color, it's all color coded: motion, how you move, looks, sound, events. I'll go through these by doing examples. So first things first, we're going to go on to the yellow one, which is events. And we're going to start with the first block, which says when green flag is clicked. Now, all these are when something is clicked, or when something's pressed, when something happens, when someone speaks, an action is going to happen. So when the flag is clicked, nothing's going to happen. So here's the flag. When I click this, nothing is going to happen. But what we're going to do is make the cat move. So if we go to motion, which is actually movement, the first one, as you can see, says move. There's quite a few here: turn, degrees, go to random position, go to certain coordinates. We're just going to do a simple move for now and connect it like Lego bricks. It automatically connects for you. And we're going to move 10 steps. So when the flag is clicked, we're going to move 10 steps. The beauty of this Scratch is we don't have to write any programs. All we have to do is just bring the block, bring the whatever block you need and move it across, the Lego brick, as I call it. So we just move that block across. Move. It says 10 steps. So we write no program. So when the green flag is clicked, move 10 steps. So this is our go, and this is our stop. So start the program, stop the program. So we start the program. There you go. He's moved. Now, as you can see, when the flag is clicked, move 10 steps. Now I'm going to do it again. As you can see, he's moved 10 steps. Again, again, and again. He's moving 10 steps. Now, obviously, he's only moving 10 steps. Let's move him a bit, do some more steps, move him a bit further down. So let's do, if it's 10, let's do 30 steps. And let's see what happens. So we click the green flag. Now, as you can see, he's moved further along. Now, obviously, if you increase this to 50, it'll go even further. So you're jumping further and further and further across now, yeah? Which is brilliant. Now let's bring it back to where it was before. Now we stop the program anyway. So straightforward, the flag is clicked, move 50 steps, which is easy. So click the flag, click the flag, click the flag, click the flag, is moving, moving, moving. Okay? Straightforward enough. We stop the program. Now, the next part is we don't want to keep on clicking the flag every time for him to move. So we want an instruction where he just continuously walks. So we can do control. So control, orange icon. If you go, it says wait 1 second, repeat forever. We want the forever one. So we want to put the forever one straight after the green flag and put that. Let's start the move one now. Let's have forever out for now. So put the green flag in, put forever. So when the green flag is clicked, forever all the time, move 50 steps. Straightforward. So let's click the flag and see what happens. So he's moved really fast, right? 50 steps, really slow him down slightly. So let's click that, stop, bring him back, just about see him. And we'll do, we need to put a little pause in there. So every time he moves 50 steps, there's a slight pause and he moves 50 steps again. So we're going to use this wait instruction. So I'm going to put wait instruction there, but not for 1 second. It'll be too slow, and I'll show you. So it'll move 50 steps, wait 1 second, 50 steps, 1 second. That's a bit too much of a wait. So let's do, say half a second. Let's do 0.5 and see what happens then. So that's pretty good. He is moving. He waits half a second, he moves along. So let's stop that. See, I stopped that with the red button. I'm going to move him back. Let's do a little bit more, less time he waits. So let's do 0.2. So this is all trial and error. I mean, you can just try and get the instructions, but for now we'll put 0.2 in there and see what happens. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Stop that, bring him back. So what did we do so far? We've chosen our character from searching here, choose a sprite. Remember, there's a whole library of characters to choose from. We chose the cat. Then we did move 50 steps. Wait, 0.2 seconds or half a second. It's up to you how long you want to wait. And then, but do this moving and waiting forever, continuously. Or otherwise, if you don't do that, you keep on clicking the green flag. Now, so you can move 50 steps. He does it forever, which is fantastic. The only thing is, once we do this and he's moving, I have to stop this. And when I stop it, he's all the way down to the end of the screen. How do I bring it back? So what we do is, let's bring it back here for now. Stop that anyway. We're going to get events again and get when spacebar is clicked or anything. It could be when up arrows clicked, down arrows clicked, right arrow, anything you like on the keyboard. But I'm going to just do spacebar, make it easy for myself. So when spacebar is clicked or pressed, then what do we want to do? So we go to motion movement. We want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down where it says go to X and Y. Remember these coordinates when I was moving the mouse, the cat, and these coordinates were moving. Now at the moment, wherever he is, these are your coordinates there and there. So this will be the same as there. So wherever he is, so if I move him here, coordinates change. That's where he is at the moment. But I want him here, and there you go. So when spacebar is clicked, these are the coordinates for there, wherever he is. So go to these coordinates, X and Y. So go to this coordinate here. So when spacebar is clicked, he will go here. And if I press this, he does what we normally does. Remember our program, he walks 50 steps, he waits a bit of a pause, he does it forever. But now I'm not going to bring it back with the cursor, with the mouse. I'm going to press spacebar. And there you go. He is back to where I want him, where the program starts. So he's moved. He waited about 2.2 of a second. He moved 50 steps. He did it forever. He kept doing it. And wherever he ended up, when we stop the program, we can bring it back to where the program started from. So it's pretty straightforward. It's not that difficult. It's just playing around with these instructions. And there's so many instructions there. There's sound, there's control, which we just did. the sensing's like touching the mass printer, what happens when you touch a color. But these are things we'll do further down the lessons, not at the moment. This was the first lesson about how to make your sprite walk or run, and moving back to the position where he started from. And one other thing we could do today is just do the background in this lesson. So it says choose a sprite here, but this one here at the end is choose a background. As you can see, choose a background. Click on the search. And there's so many different backgrounds here. Same again, fantasy, music, sports, anything you like. But on this particular page, it says all, everything's on here. So I'm just going to choose, if I can go down the page, I'm going to choose, let's just have a look. If I choose this one here, the blue sky, let's just choose this one for now. So let's just put my cat, my sprite over here, and we're just going to make him just do the whole program again, but with a nice little background there. Yep. So everything's normal, nothing's changed. All I did was go to my background, search, and added a background. All it is straightforward. I'm going to play my program by pressing the green flag, and he is walking all the way across. I'm going to stop it. How do I bring it back? You know, press a space bar, and there you go. So the first video was an introduction to what Scratch is. This video, we chose our character, we chose the background, and we made him walk or semi-run all the way across the screen and bring it back. Really straightforward. It's really good fun. I'm really enjoying this. And let's see what we can do in the second video. Let's have some audios for the second video. We can add some more different features to the video, to the animation. And I look forward to doing the next video. Please subscribe, comment, share, like. And that's it, really. Keep safe. Like I said in the previous video, keep yourself entertained at home, do things, learn something new. And please comment on this video as well if you like it. Very straightforward, very enjoyable. Anyone can do it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you very much. And bye-bye.